everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm thelaurynicole, and today I'm going to be sharing with you a few different ways to style your cap for graduation time. I'm super excited to be sharing with you guys a few different curly hairstyles this graduation season because in about a few days I will be graduating myself with a degree from Michigan State University. Now I'm starting to tear up. Like, okay, hold on. I feel like this graduation season matters so much to me because I was one of those grads that didn't really get to graduate during COVID. I was a 2020 graduate from high school, and I feel like, I don't know, this is my first time actually being able to walk across the stage. I'm getting kind of emotional. Oh my god. But for all my Curlfriends that are graduating this season, congratulations to you, whether that be from high school, a certification program, getting a degree. You really deserve it. I'm super proud of you, and let's get into today's video. Okay, babe, so before we get into the hairstyles, first things first, I'll be showing you this headband hack for your cap. You'll need a headband, preferably one that matches your hair color, scissors, duct tape, and of course, your cap. Start by peeling a small piece of duct tape off and then grab the headband and place it inside the cap. You want to make sure it is aligned with the angles of the hat so that when you put it on your head, it isn't crooked. Now from there, we are simply going to duct tape the headband in place, and if you want to go a step farther, you can duct tape the top of your hat, but this really doesn't matter. You can either duct tape it or you could bobby pin it later. This idea has been around forever. I didn't come up with this myself, but it is a super easy and cost-effective headband hack for all graduates this season. Now for the hairstyles. So now that we have the hat completed, the first hairstyle is just to simply wear your hair down. And now that you actually have this headband hack, it makes wearing your curly hair super easy with the hat. Don't forget to fluff out your curls and bow. We love a good fro moment. Now for hairstyle number 2, grab all of your hair into a ponytail and wrap an elastic around your hair once. This allows you to have a more full and voluminous curly ponytail. I like to tug on my curls just to make sure that I have the style exactly how I like it, and then from there we're going to grab our cap and place it on our head, and this look is complete. Now this last look is one of my favorites, and we're going to start by grabbing all of our hair and pulling it into a high ponytail. Similar to the last ponytail hairstyle, we're going to wrap the elastic around once just to keep the voluminous nature of the style, and then from there we're going to grab our cap and place it behind the ponytail. Now babes, to keep this style secure, you are going to need clips or bobby pins, but depending on the type of headband that you get, you may or may not need as many. Once secured, this hairstyle is done. This look is so classy and chic, and I'm obsessed. I hope you all really enjoyed today's video and that you possibly found a little hair inspo for your big day. Let me know in the comments which hairstyle is your favorite, and I will see you Curlfriends next time.